Hi, my name is Endra. My project is a venturesome journey on a boat built with my own hands. Endra is her name, and she now shall get her mast. But that spar has 9 meters of length, so I need some space. That's the call for Endra to move out of her workshop once and for all. Come aboard this journey of crafting and sailing a wooden boat. It seems like Endra is kind of fledged and getting used to wind and weather, while I must see my workshop once again. Some might remember how I brought pieces of a mast from the island. Well weathered, a keen eye would spot some rot here and there. To fix that was a smaller challenge. I recall watching a YouTuber who made his own mast. Out on the water, it took him a fair blow and the mast cracked, and returned using oars. I was never built a boat before, don't want to share that fate, and yet I had to develop a concept for a standing rigging, keeping fingers crossed, for only day one will prove that my craftsmanship and estimations were correct. Mast was an oval hollowed spar, cut into two as it ended its service and was put to scraps. Why I had to find a way to connect it once again. For once, I didn't quite follow the principles using only colored metals. Purchased an aluminium pipe and brought it into shape. Yet the major question remained unsolved and my decisions altered many times. The obvious way to step the mast was to slip it down between the mast partners and plant it on the keel. But then again, that was something you could hardly do without using a crane. Plus, I would lose about a meter height. On the other hand, I could use a tabernacle, which is a hinge to pivot the mast up. 1 meter gains and lots of troubles by rigging the boat up. And an ugly thing on the deck. No, I couldn't get familiar with that idea either. No matter the advantages. That's when I came up with the idea of a mobile tabernacle. An invention which has yet to be proved worthy. Anyway, the mast couldn't rest on the deck with its full weight. Why? I had to install a support. Things with wheels go a lot quicker. The key must lie within these bearings. I'm gonna use them to speed up sanding the spars too.
While I have my thoughts on stepping the mast, there are other questions which are moving me. Legal questions, namely. As the day draws near when Endra is hosting his sales, I need to register the boat with the local authorities. So, wish me luck and give me a thumb up. See you soon.